For more on Meta, let's bring in Citizens JMP research analyst Andrew Boone. He has an outperform rating on Meta, $550 price target, called it his top advertising idea into earnings. Let's start right there because stock's under pressure. It's down 12%. They're spending more money on AI, infrastructure, GPUs. You just heard about it. But it also sounds like from the CFO, Susan Lee, some pretty upbeat commentary, albeit some hard comps, but some upbeat commentary around digital advertising. What do you make of it?
AI is definitely an investment area, and I also think it's a driver of growth. Reels is still contributing, and then if you look at Meta AI, which is their recently released AI assistant on the platform, there's a real opportunity for Meta to be able to take share of other budgets, meaning search going forward. In combination, we think that growth can sustain itself in the back half of 24 and then into 25.
Okay. So in light of that, especially the commentary about the Chinese e-commerce companies and lapping tough comparisons there. I mean, we know the U.S. government is scrutinizing some of this industry. How much of a risk is that to Meta at a time where they are seeing these green shoots in terms of digital advertising growth overall?
Yeah, I mean, there are puts and takes there. Certainly, a TikTok ban would be beneficial to Meta, right? You see a bunch of users that would probably flock to Instagram, while a ban on SheIn or Temu would certainly be a negative in terms of reducing what are two major advertisers on the platform. And so, you know, it's going to, the devil is in the detail on these. I think net China, though, has the potential to continue to be a tailwind as you still see more manufacturers want to reach U.S. consumers.
Andrew, how much runway do you think Meta has, particularly with Reels ads? I'm just starting to see them appear more and more. And I know that Reels is also different because, and Zuckerberg has talked about this a bit, they're not showing those ads to you based on who you're connected to. They're really using more AI, kind of TikTok style, to figure out what you're uniquely going to be interested in. Is this a long-term, brand new revenue source that you're measuring yet, or no?
You know, I think there are two really interesting points there. One of which is that Reels has the opportunity to take linear TV dollars. Linear TV remains the largest kind of offline bucket of ad spend that's still available. The shift to digital properties. That's one point. And then you're right. I think there is better contextual advertising that will be available as Reels continues to work on their algorithms and make everything more personalized, including ads.